Welcome to our tutorial on how to set the default message timer to 24 hours for new chats on WhatsApp. This feature allows your messages to automatically disappear after a day, adding an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the three dots in the top right corner. This is your menu button. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this list, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Next, tap on Privacy. This section is where you can adjust all your privacy-related settings, including who can see your profile picture, status, and last seen information. Now, scroll down until you see the Disappearing Messages section. Within this area, you'll find an option called Default Message Timer. Go ahead and tap on that. You'll be presented with several duration options for your disappearing messages. For this tutorial, we want to set it to 24 hours. So choose the 24 hours option from the list. And that's it. You've successfully set your default message timer to 24 hours for all new chats. From now on, when you start a new conversation, the messages will automatically disappear after a day, unless you change this setting for specific chats. Remember, this setting only applies to new chats you start after enabling this feature. It won't affect your existing conversations unless you manually change their settings. This feature is great for maintaining privacy and keeping your chat history clutter-free. However, keep in mind that the other person can still screenshot or forward your messages before they disappear. So always be mindful of what you share. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your enhanced privacy on WhatsApp.